Your parents built their legacy in Forbes, Bel Air, or Dasmariñas. And now, it's your turn. Just like Forbes Park, once defined an exclusive. What makes Trava different? One of the key factors why investors still investing here in Trava is comparing it to other villages where thousands of families share the same space. Trava is only a home for a few hundreds. What do you mean by that, Carl? Dito, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Trava is the deluxe project of Greenfield. So, it's a 33 hectares and in these 33 hectares, 45% here are dedicated to open spaces. And isa yun sa mga pwede ma-enjoy ng inyong mga families, kids, and allotted yan sa mga ating mga puno and mga nakikita nyong greeneries where Greenfield really support that kind of village. May kita nyo yan sa kanilang track record ng mga other developments sila like Pramana, Solen, and right now dito sa deluxe project nila kung nasan tayo, which is Trava. With their also unique features, which is their 33 hectares is only averaging at 10 lots only per hectares. Imagine how exclusive with that. Some villages, almost 800 to 1,000 families yung mabibuild. And dito sa Trava, almost 300 lang. Minsan naman, 2 lots yung ginagawa nila for one house. So, depende. Pero I know for sure in the future, mangyayari yun. The point is, sobrang exclusive ng lugar na you cannot imagine this kind of village na ganito lang kayo kaonte. At the same time, you are not paying too much. And isa pa sa mga reason why families from Manila are moving here in Trava is because of their community. What I mean by that, kung mapapansin nyo, other villages in the area, not to mention, pero most of that kind of development sa Nuvali, may kita nyo, and sa other villages in the area na high-end talaga, is may kita nyo, onti lang yung mga bahay. Samantalang dito sa Trava, kung may kita nyo, if di ako nagkakamali, around 12 houses na yung ongoing at yung tapos na construction. And still, we are on phase 2. And imagine kung gaano kabilis magkakaroon ng community dito sa area. Which is karamihan sa mga families na magmo-move out, going here in Trava, is gusto nila may ganitong uri na ng community. Yung hindi mo matatawag na ghost town. So dito, sobrang confident ako because ngayon pa lang, again, we're still selling in phase 2. Pre-selling ongoing land development pero sa phase 1, 10 na halos yung tinatayong bahay. And that's not just a privacy. It's a generational peace of mind. Next is lifestyle vision. As you can see, this kind of developments, they really understand people like you. Especially yung mga clients natin na may pamilya na, no? Here in Trava, you can imagine your families or your kids riding a bike on a 3-line streets without worrying about cars. Imagine hosting a Sunday gathering where art, architectural, and your family blends seamlessly in your own estate. I remember one of my clients who invested here in Trava for only one reason. No, on that day, he woke up and nakita niya yung anak niya nagbabike sa parking lot. Doon sila nakatira somewhere in Ortigas. And noong time na yon, pagising niya, nakita niya anak niya, nadali yung sasakyan niya na nakapark because gustong-gusto magbike ng anak niya. And the reason on that day then kung bakit niya ako tinawagan is gusto niya magkaroon ng village where their kids can grow up na alam mo yung hindi lang sa parking lot or hindi lang sa condominium but in this kind of developments. Nung time na nakita nila to, hindi ko kayang maipaliwanag kung gaano sila kasaya that time because ito mismo yung hinahanap niya para sa kanilang pamilya. Imagine ang tagal na nilang nakatira sa Ortigas because their business is located diyan sa Ortigas. Late nila naisip na may ganitong development dito at the same time, pwede pa rin sila maka-access sa business nila. And also, their kids can grow up in this kind of nature, this kind of development, and pwede silang makapag-bike. That's the only reason. That's why I want to share it with you. Because sobrang simple lang. Nung reason, kung makikita mo, sobrang simple lang dahil lang gusto makapag-bike ng anak niya. But sobrang meaningful nun. And alam natin na isa yon sa pinaka-importanting bagay. And also, that's the reason then why we work really hard, no? Why we create that business. And sometimes nalilimutan na natin na yun yung reason. So, yun yung reason din naman why people are investing here, just like my client, no? They really value their time. Gusto niya mas makasama niya pa yung mga kids niya, and again, makapaglaro sa mga ganitong space, sobrang laki. Hindi naman sila nalalakihan, to be honest, pagdating nila. Natutuwa lang sila because may ganito pa palang development na accessible sa exit and literally going in and out sa business nila. Ang na-imagine kasi nila when we say Laguna, before, sobrang layo. Like, dadayuhin pa talaga nila. And nung nakarating sila dito, na-imagine nila na, okay, pwede pala. And doon na nag-start yung aming relationship ng client. So, tuloy-tuloy na hanggang ngayon naman, we're still connected. And I shared that story to you guys because I'm really sure in this channel, sa mga nanonood, no, na kagaya nyo, is na feel nyo rin minsan yung ganong uri ng na-feel ng ating client. So, shinare ko siya sa inyo para ma-imagine nyo na there's someone like you na nakatulong itong Trava sa kanila na maybe makatulong din sa inyo. And speaking of that, we are going to talk about the location advantage. From Trava, BGC is 40 minutes away. Makati is just under an hour, yet you are returning to your home, but it feels like your private resort. And again, guys, in terms of location, that's how accessible Trava is. And di ko pa na-add, no, guys, in terms of infrastructure, that's only a South Luzon Expressway going to Makati. But in the future, ang dami pang infrastructure na aasahan natin dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, where Trava is located. Kagaya na lang ng Calax, which is a way from Binyan, Santa Rosa, going to some part of Cavite, especially Tagaytay, one of the weekend getaway here in the South. And also, dyan din ililink yung ating CBEX, which is Cavite-Batangas Expressway, which will give us an access to those beach resorts in Batangas. Imagine, nandito kayo sa bahay nyo, dito sa gitna, you are under an hour away from your work or business, and you are also a few minutes away lang from leisures, no? Just like beach resorts, if ever na gusto nyo mag-gala sa Batangas or gusto nyo lang mag-brunch sa Tagaytay, you are just a minutes away. Literal na nasa gitna lang. And that's the location advantage of Trava, no? And yan pa lang yung mga literal na under an hour away. Wala pa dito yung literal na 5 minutes away, just like Nuvali, Soledad Mall, Vista Mall, other development in South Forbes, which is located in Silang. Like literally, tatawid ka lang. Meron diyang marketplace, and napakarami pa in the future. Sabi nila may tatayo pa ditong IKEA at marami pa, literally marami pang aabangan. And gagawin ko yan on our other videos dito pa rin sa ating channel. Kaya make sure na nakasubaybay kayo, kaya hit the subscribe button. And going back to location, in terms of infrastructure, sobrang lalapit niyan, guys. Ilan pa lang yung mga binanggit ko sa inyo, no? And since we're talking about location, we are also a 5-kilometer radius from the University Belt of the South. Like literally sa likod lang ng Trava, nandyan itinatayo yung UST. And UE is just located in the master plan of Eton, which is University of the East. Literal na kapitbahay lang yan ni Trava. And also other prestigious schools just like Brentville International. Inside Nuvali, we have Miriam College, Xavier, Nuvali, and marami pang iba. De La Salle also located in Binyan. And literally in terms of infrastructure, location, going to your business, and school for your families, for your kids, literal na lahat ng kailangan mo is nandito na. Next is the exclusivity in the community. Yes, again, going back to that numbers, no? Trava is a 33 hectares and averaging only a 10 lots per hectares. Ganun lang ka-exclusive. And also in terms of security, we have 24/7 na umiikot dito sa ating community, dito sa ating village. Kaya naman sobrang secured ng inyong family, especially from your kids, no? Pwede mo silang hayaan maglaro dito sa labas nang hindi kagaya sa Manila or Ortigas or somewhere in Makati, di ba? Hindi mo basta-basta yan mapapalabas at mapaglalaro, no? Because madami sasakyan. So dito, they have freedom. They have space na pwede nilang magalawan. In Forbes, you are not just buying a house, you are joining a circle. The same is true here. Trava isn't for everyone. That's why it exactly feels like home. Next is sustainability and forward-thinking design. Here in Trava, I always imagine this kind of development, horizontal development. In the future kasi, kung makikita nyo, puro horizontal na itatayo. Puro condominium, puro buildings. And ngayon pa lang, na-appreciate ko na itong horizontal development, just like Trava, kung gaano siya ka-premium in the future, kung gaano ka-forward-thinking yung kanilang development dito. Kasi in the future, kung puro building na yan, puro development na, puro establishment, what's one thing important that most people really want to have is this kind of green open spaces. Imagine, this kind of open spaces they are dreaming of, they are just part of your everyday lifestyle because you are living in this kind of development. Kung nai-imagine nyo guys yung sinasabi ko, it's very rare na magkaroon ng ganitong opportunity in the future. No, kaya mahalaga na makapwesto ka ng ganitong uri pa lang ng development, wala pa yung tinutukoy ko ng mga establishment, no, and ito yung pinaka-best time. Your parents built legacy with prestige, and you are building legacy with purpose. Trava combines both. Luxury estate design for greener tomorrow. I remember the first time I toured Trava. The roads were wider, more greener than any subdivisions I had seen. And one of my clients said, "Carl, this is the first place I imagined my grandchildren can grow the same way I did in Dasma." And that stuck with me. As you can see, other families just like you watching guys, they really want this kind of development because they really experience that in other villages in Manila or somewhere in Cavite, and they really want to duplicate it. They want their grandchildren to experience this kind of development too. And they are looking for much better dun sa mga existing na kinalakihan na nilang development. Just like in Forbes Park, Dasma, or Bel Air Makati. Forbes, Bel Air, and Dasma, they defined the past. Trava defines the future. And the future belongs to you. So let me take you on a tour here in Trava so you can feel it yourself. All you need to do is message or call us in the numbers flash on the screen. It is 639-6960-20739 and it has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan working abroad. And again, this is Carlwin Orga, your Prime Properties. Thank you guys for watching. It really means a lot, lalo na tayo ay monetize na dito sa ating YouTube channel. Kahit pa paano, may nakukuha na tayo na makakatulong sa pag-grow pa nitong ating channel or itong ating business. And it really means a lot yung simpleng support, comment, and like ninyo guys. Maraming salamat po. Patuloy pa rin tayo mag-upload ng mga videos, and if you have any suggested topic or any village na gusto nyong mapuntahan natin in person at mapakita ko sa inyo through videos para makatulong din naman ako sa inyo even though na hindi pa tayo magkakilala sa ngayon, it will help our business too, no? So mag-comment lang kayo if you have any ideas or you can contact us directly naman. So again, thank you for watching and see you on my next one.